If you keep saying crazy in IELTS speaking, you're limiting your vocabulary score. Band 7 and above candidates don't overuse simple words. Watch this carefully. Crazy is overused. It's vague. It doesn't show precision. Let's upgrade it based on meaning. 1. Instead of crazy busy, say, extremely hectic, overwhelming, incredibly demanding. Example, my schedule was extremely hectic last week. Two. Instead of crazy idea, say, unrealistic, absurd, irrational, unconventional. Example, at first, it sounded like an unrealistic proposal. 3. Instead of crazy weather, say, extreme, unpredictable, severe, intense. Example, the weather was extremely unpredictable during the trip. 4. Instead of crazy good, say, outstanding, incredible, exceptional, remarkable. Example, the performance was absolutely outstanding. Thanks for watching until the end. If you're interested in IELTS and want to improve step by step, please check out my Gumroad link in the video description. I've made practical materials that you can actually use for your study. And if this video helped you even a little, please subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Reaching 1,000 subscribers is my next goal, and your support really helps me keep creating free lessons like this. Subscribes and likes are what keep this channel going. They're the reason I can keep making more helpful English videos for you. If you want to watch more lessons right now, click one of the videos on the screen. I'll see you in the next video.